I'm going to click on this image, and then up here is the rotation handle. I can click and drag and then rotate it exactly how I want it, the full 360 degrees. As you can see, it's very precise, even going down to decimal points. But I can also hold down Shift on my keyboard whilst doing this, and it does a bit more general version of it where it's 15-degree increments. So this makes it a bit easier to get to those sort of presets you might want to use, like 90 degrees or 180 or 270. But there you go. You can also do this by the exact amount of degrees by right-clicking, going on Format Options, and there's a Size and Rotation section, and then you can input the angle. So I might want to do like 33 degrees, and it will do the exact amount. I can also budge this up and down, and then there's a couple of presets here as well.